Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm a principal software engineer here at Squarespace. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple ways to make sure your website stands out in the new era of AI search. You probably heard that AI is changing how people search online, and it's true. More and more people are using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and other AI-powered engines to discover brands and products. What that means is how people find you online is shifting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump into 5 things you can do right now to get your site ready for this AI-driven search future. Even in the AI era, traditional SEO still matters. So the first step is making sure your foundation is solid. Here's what you can do. Use clear headings and text that describe what your business does. Organize your headings by importance, so header 1 would be a page title, header 2 would be a section on the page, and so on. Add keywords that your audience might be searching for. Keep your content updated and relevant. And make sure each page has a unique title and description. The good news is, Squarespace already helps with most of this automatically. Every site comes with clean URLs, built-in mobile optimization, and an auto-generated sitemap, all of which make it easier for both search engines and AI tools to understand your site. And that brings us to step 2. We built a new AI SEO tool to make optimization simple, even if you're not an SEO expert. It helps you create strong metadata for your pages and images. Here's how it works. Navigate to the SEO appearance panel. You'll see a report of pages or images missing metadata. Click Improve with AI and let Squarespace generate optimized content for you. You can review, edit, or regenerate anything you want. And in just a few clicks, your site is more visible to search engines and AI. AI tools are built to help people solve problems and make decisions, so the best way to show up in AI search results is to be helpful. Think about the questions your audience might be asking, then answer those questions clearly on your site. For example, if you run a dog training business in Austin, you would create a blog post answering what are the best places to walk your puppy in Austin. Or if you run a restaurant in Portland, you might answer what are the best things to do in Portland for a weekend getaway. If blogs aren't your style, you can add an FAQ section instead. Providing simple, useful content like this makes it easier for AI to see your site as a trusted and authoritative source. It's helpful to remember what's clear to you might not be clear to everyone else, especially if you're speaking to a broader audience. So when you share more details in clear, plain language, it really helps AI understand your content and also the people looking for your products and services. And when you use Squarespace blog and content blocks, it's easy to keep your information fresh and organized. Here's something AI can't replace: your brand. Even as search results get smarter, people still choose based on trust and connection. Make sure your homepage clearly tells people what you do. Use testimonials, social proof, and consistent messaging across your site and marketing. The stronger your brand identity, the more likely it is to be recognized and even cited by AI. AI doesn't just scan your website, it pulls information from all over the internet. That means it's worth making sure your business is visible in other trusted places too. Here are a few easy wins. Create or update your Google Business profile. Get listed in local directories or online communities. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. And share useful content on forums or social media. Every mention helps build your credibility and gives AI more signals to work with. Let's recap. Get your SEO basics in place. Use the AI SEO tool to fill in the gaps. Write helpful content that answers real questions. Build a strong, trustworthy brand. And finally, make sure you're visible beyond your website. AI is changing how people search, but the heart of it is still the same. Be clear, helpful, and authentic. And with Squarespace, you've already got the tools to show up, stand out, and grow your business. So don't stress about the future of search. Just take it one step at a time. And remember, you got this.